Yo, welcome back again to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing something to the Rsx. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and leave a comment and a like if you guys like the video. So today I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be doing to my '05 Rsx Type S. So yeah. So we got something in the mail today. We're gonna be doing something to the car, to the headlights. I already did the projector headlights installed, but today I got something in the mail that we're gonna be installing on the headlights. I gave it a little clean, buff it out so they could be clean. So yeah, let's open the package and show you guys what I got. So let's see what's inside the package. Another bag. Wires. What can it be? Let's take it out careful so we won't rip any wires. There it is right here. So it's like a controller, a control, and some wires there. So yep, if you guys already know what they are, so I'll be installing some LED demon eyes on my Rsx. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. If you guys own a Rsx, should work from '02 to '06 Rsx. Just the headlight is different, but it should be the same if you have projector lights. Okay, once you remove your bumper over here, your bumper, you're gonna have some 10 millimeters bolts right here, screws, and right here, and there are some down here, right here under. So you gotta take them off, and you'll be able to take off your headlight out. And don't forget to disconnect your harness, your bolts, and everything from your headlights. Well, now that I've removed both headlights, I'm looking where I'm gonna put the harness right here. I'm gonna look where I could install it good so it won't get wet or whatever. And then I'm gonna run a wire to the driver's side headlight, and I'm gonna have the Bluetooth box on the passenger, so I could have access for the inside to install it. So yeah, I already have the headlights right here. So now I'm warming up the heat gun. I'm gonna heat it around the clear lens right here, so I could take the lens off, so I could have access for the projector headlights, so I can install the demon eyes. So I'm gonna heat it around and remove it. Okay, once you heat it all around, so the glue could get pretty hot, so it'll be easy to remove your lens. So just heat it around, be gentle, just pull it a little bit by little on both sides, and it should come off. So I already installed the demon eyes. You can see back here the wire here. I already installed them. I adjust my projectors how they have to go line, And now I'm gonna heat up the silicone right here, heat it up so I could put back the clear lens. So I'm gonna do that and I'll show you guys how it looks. So if you guys like the video of the Demon Eyes I installed on my Rsx, please don't forget hit that subscribe button and like button. Any questions, put a comment down below and I'll try to help you guys. This was my first time, so it took a while. As you can guys see, it's dark already. So yeah, I like them how they are. I'm just gonna have to wire them tomorrow so they'll be ready. So any questions, leave a comment down below. So see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.